In part 2 of Make the WR400 Great Again, what I'll be doing is installing these SKDA graphics, which are customizable, and as you can see I've got my Gingerbeard Man logo on there. So I'm also going to be changing the seat cover, so let's take the seat off and replace the cover. Holy smokes, I can't wipe the smile off my face. Way to turn an old thing around and make it look a little more modern. I know there's going to be people out there saying, you've got YZ stickers on this bike and it's a WR. The reason for that is because in a previous video I changed out my tank for a YZ426 tank. I put a YZ426 rear fender on and also an updated 450 front fender. So it is more of a YZ than a WR in the looks department. Anyway, what I'm going to do is just show you some before and after shots with and without the graphics. So that's the graphics installed, done and dusted on the WR400F, and I couldn't have done it without the help of my wife. I'm absolutely hopeless at applying graphics, and if I had done it myself there would have been bubbles all the way through it. Anyway, that's it for this one. Thanks very much for watching, and as always I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.